Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So did you know red lipstick can also be used to conceal your under eyes and all your blemishes? Yes, it's true. So today I'm going to show you how you can conceal your under eye circles and your blemishes by using a red lipstick. So all you got to do is you can just take any red lipstick. This is from Sephora. So guys, before that I'm just about to prime my face. The primer that I'll be using is from NYX. This is the Honey Dew Me Up. I'm just going to apply it all over my face, especially my under eye. So once I've done that, I'm going to take my red lipstick. As I told you, this is from Sephora. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of red lipstick under my eyelid. That's about it. Brush it. I'm going to also apply it on my acne scar. Like I have a pimple right here. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my concealer. This is the MAC concealer. My shade is NC42. Apply the concealer on top of this. Apply this concealer all over my eyelid. So once I've done that, I'm going to use my foundation on top of this. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline foundation, just the Fit Me Maybelline foundation, and my shade is 128. I'm just going to take some foundation, apply it all over my face. Guys, that's about it. If you can see, I concealed my dark circles and my pimples, and this acts like a really good concealer. If you have a lot of discoloration on your skin, you can also use this red lipstick. So this is a really cool hack. You should definitely try it and let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other tips, do let me know. Don't forget to like this video, and I'm also on Instagram, so please go follow me. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, so do follow me. I'll put the link down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.